Menteri Rangba ke Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma mentakasngi lawan bancin bentah kata masa bedin klam ha etnar jawai hadin balakot snobhai ura kesenra jawai kumukongsan jengkasngi penkut jeng kata masa. Habakran shikilat pathai kubor Himanta Biswa Sarma ula penpawi ke jeng snokmen banyadun bentah kini kata masa bar ulai kublei ki paitba ke Meghalaya khamtam ki parashnong harilum jantia ki bala priang snobhai ula ong ba uduai ba ke bedin klam kan wanra ya kesuk kesan ke roy ke par ba ke jeng kerkhui ki paitba jong ke jela. Haba jubab halor ke jingya ke japut hapdeng ke Assam dan Meghalaya. Menteri Rangba ke Assam lo ong meminta ke jingya trilang hapdeng ki ar jela ke long ke babha. Ula batai baki jingya lang bat jingya kran hapdeng ki Menteri Rangba bat ki officer ki long man kapor. Balada mi kenu ke jingya la jula ban penbet no mador lingba ke jingya kran. Himanta Biswa ula ongru ba kamdan satya kenu ke jingya pher ke bakrau hapdeng ki ar sarkar. Hendai gidang bateng banya trilang ban penbet kinu ki mat ki badang sah. Kajingwan juk Menteri Rangba ke Assam syakabe din klam kalong ru kadak jong kejingya long parlok bar kejingya teli hapdeng ki jilla kathan chate lam mingi bar kejing ai buram yaki culture bar ki riti dustur ten rai jong ke Meghalaya.
Goodwill from the state of Assam to our brothers in Meghalaya and more specifically to the brothers and sisters of Jaintia Hills. I convey my lot of good wishes and I pray for success of the festival.
There are frequent frictions in the border.
Border issue.
Frictions in the border area.
I don't think so. Everything is settled smoothly. Everything is smooth.
So when is the next level of talks? CM level talks.
I kept on meeting CM and Deputy CM. So channel of discussion is always open. We keep on meeting and there is no friction, and whenever something happens, we resolve that immediately with the spirit of friendship.
How you will assure that?
Explain to you, sir. How is the background?
I'll come again and I'll also join the festival. I'll also jump in the pond.
Next time.
I'll definitely